Hello there, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Williams here. We're ready to get started. I want to start by saying happy birthday to Valeria's mommy. Happy birthday, Valeria's mommy. And she is so excited and she is happy. All right. And then Amari said that he's going to start this video. He got the power to start this video right now. Family Love is so excited. I'm excited too. I'm going to be disappointed if you guys don't remember inches, feet, and yard, though. So we're going to go ahead and get started with inches, feet, and yard. Before we get started, I do have a question. How many inches is this? I don't even have to come close or anything. It's a ruler. How many inches are in the ruler? D'Angelo's on today. Hey, D'Angelo, I miss you. All right, I'm still waiting. And Kylan's on today. Hey, Kylan. All right, now I got my answer. 12. Oh, somebody said a foot. Oh, it's D'Angelo. Oh, D'Angelo's on today. All right. So I'm understanding that we have 12 inches in that ruler. And 12 inches equal how many feet? Hi. I want the answer to my question. Let's see. I have a ruler here on my table. Well, I'm going to use the one I was already using. Oh, I see somebody is saying 1 foot. Somebody else is saying 1 foot. Okay, so we have the ruler. I have a foot. Ooh. This is going to help us remember. I can't even make sure it's on. There we go. 1 foot. I love it. Somebody said love it. I love it as well. All right. So we got the 1 foot, or 12 inches is 1 foot. Now I have another question. If 12 inches is 1 foot, how many inches would equal 2 feet? Okay. Oh my gosh, I love it. 1 foot. I'm only seeing 1 foot. How many inches would I have for 2 foot? Jane, do you have another shoe? 2 foot. 2 of James' feet. How many inches? Yay, I'm getting answers. 24. Now, why would it be 24? Yes, I love it. Everybody's saying 24. Why though? Why is it 24? This is Miss Stokes. Hello, everyone. Hi, it's our principal. Miss Stokes is on. All right, so why would we have 24? How did you figure it out? Show me what you did. Hey, Messiah. Yep, I see him. Okay, 12 and 12, 24, 12 and 12. Absolutely. So 2 rulers, 12 and 12 is 24, or 2 foot. That will be 24. All right. Now, 36 inches. 36 inches equal how many feet? Yes, because 12 and 12 is 24. Now I'm asking for feet. It's a lot of people on here today. We're live with 26. All right, Sahadeep says 3. D'Angelo says 3. All right, we're moving. Lots of 3s. Amsala, Messiah. Messiah, you're still on 24. Okay, good. Tariq, let's go with 3. All right, boys and girls. This question is very important. I know a lot of you already know the answer, but I'm going to ask. 3 feet equals how many yards? Three feet. So on my ruler, I get to 12. That's 1 feet. I get to 24. Oh, yeah. That's 2 feet. I get to 36. All the way. 3 feet. 3 feet is how many? Oh, I'm seeing it. I'm seeing it. Yes. Yes. 1 yard. Absolutely. 3 feet equals 1 yard. So that means that 36 inches, how many yards is that? 36 inches, how many yards? 3 feet. Of course. Because 36 inches is the same as 3 feet. So 36 inches is the same as, these two are equal, 3 feet and 3. So, boys and girls, I'm ready. Let's start measuring a couple of things. First of all, my iPad. Mrs. Williams wants to measure her iPad. How long do you think it may be? How long do you think my iPad may be? And while I'm waiting, I'm just going to clear the board. Four feet. Wow. So you think the iPad is going to be 4 feet, 5 feet? Somebody said 1 yard, which will be 1 yard is 3 feet. Oh my goodness, children. The iPad. Look at that. I don't even think that may or may not even be 1 feet. I'm thinking inches. Okay, now somebody says 1 foot. Somebody says 100 feet. 100 of my son's shoes. Somebody says 2 of them. Okay, I'm seeing 13 inches. That's a little bit more reasonable. Not 3 feet. I don't even think, well, let's look at it. I see somebody saying 1 foot, 1 foot, 1 foot. Derek. Okay, good job, Derek. I see. Thanks for writing your name. All right. Let's see who's correct. Somebody has to be right and somebody has to be wrong. I got here. I'm going to make sure I'm right at the 0. And then let's get the end. And it stops right here at, and this is not feet. This is inches. Do you see that? Let me use the regular ruler as well. How many inches do you see there? What does it measure? What am I measuring? I wonder if I'm close enough. All right, I see somebody said, oh, Genesis. Thank you, Genesis. All right. Sadiq, I'm getting 10 inches. I'm getting 10 inches. Do we agree? Does anybody disagree with 10 inches? Or are we going to go with the 10 inches? I don't see anyone disagreeing. All right, next item. I'm ready to measure. And if you need to, boys and girls, I have right behind me, still on the board, 12 inches. Want to remind you, we started out 12 inches is 1 foot. 3 of these rulers, or 3 feet, would be 1 whole yard. And 3 feet will be 36 inches. Let me write that one on our board too. Yes, we're doing quizzes today. Please put up your out of office message. Okay. All right. Oh, it already have it. 36 inches is 3 feet. And 3 feet is 1 yard. Okay. Somebody's high five and hi, Camden. All right, I'm ready to measure again. I'm going to get another item. My cell phone. What do you think? Let's estimate. About how long do you think it's going to be? I'm going to measure it. How long do you think the cell phone is going to be? And should I use the ruler to measure it? Or should I use my yard, my 36-inch yardstick to measure? Somebody says they think 3 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches. Yusuf says 5. Let's measure. 3, 5. Oh, can we see it? All right. What do we have there? I'm making sure I'm starting at 0. I hope that we can see this clearly. I've started measuring at 0. And I've stopped right here at how many? Is that inches? Is that feet? Let's see the answers we have. All right, 6. 6 what? 6 inch. Somebody said 2 inch. That probably was a guess. 1 foot? Maybe that's when we were guessing and I'm seeing it late. Okay, 6 inches. Let's remember, boys and girls, the ruler is 1 foot. It's about 1 foot. Hi. Hey, Brian. All right, good. Want to measure one more thing, and then I've asked my daughter and son to do me a favor after this. We're going to move into that. Take a look. One of my beautiful students gave this to me. Teaching is a work of art. And at the bottom, nice little ruler. You see that? That is so nice, right? Yay. Now, let me get your estimates. How tall do you think it is? How tall? Go ahead and give me your estimates. What do you think? 1.5 feet and feet and a half. Okay. Eight what? 9 inches, 1 foot, 8 inches. Eight. All right. All right, I don't need to use a yardstick. Look like it will be inches. Let's see how many inches. Now on this side, I'm not looking at this side of the ruler because these units are smaller. That's centimeters. I'm looking on this side of the unit of the ruler because I'm measuring in inches. Okay. So I put my finger right at the top. I'm coming closer so that we can see what it's measuring. Right? So I see my fingers are 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way up to 9 inches. So if you guessed close to 9 inches, let's look and see who guessed the closest. Christian said 8. That was pretty close. Valeria said 9 or 10. She hit it on the nose. It's 9. Okay, good. All right. So boys and girls, I don't know if you remember, but when we did this lesson in class, we jumped to see how far we could jump. I just want to remind you, I'm going to do it this way, just a little bit different. Okay, I can't barely erase. 12 inches. That's also 1 foot. And then 36 inches. 3 rulers. We got 12, 24. I wonder if you can see. 36 inches. Okay. Would be 1, 2, 3 feet. All right. So, are you ready, Jamie? All right. I've asked my lovely daughter to do a jump against the measuring stick, and we're going to see how far she jumped. And then we may look and see if Ralphie can even jump. And we're going to see if she can get past the foot. Can you see my answer, Miss Williams? I remember with Miss McCrimmon. Yeah. Yeah, we did that lesson. That was fun. Yeah. All right. So I'm going to put the measuring tape down on the floor, and we're going to ask Jamie to jump. Hi. Hey, Mason. All right. You ready, Jamie? Okay. All right. See how far Jamie can jump. I didn't realize my feet was going to be in it. Look at Ralphie. Ralph, you under the table. Hey, say what's going on. I want to jump. All right. You ready, Jamie? All right. We're going to get from the beginning. Thank you, Jamie. All right. Here she goes, boys and girls. Just jump, starting from, we see her feet there. Start from there. And I'll let them know how far you went. Ready, set, go. Oh, you kind of cheated there. All right. She's at 26 inches. Come and do it a second time, Jamie. Go back to the beginning and do it again. No, let's put it in. All right. No, start at 0. There we go. Now. Oh, my goodness. Okay, now she's at 16. So first we had, was it 25 or 26? And then 16. All right. You want to jump, Ralph? No? All right. Ralph said he's not going to jump. And he just wants to look and sniff. All right. Now, question time for you. Hey, Tariq again. All right. He jumped 25 inches the first time. Oh, shit, what's going on with that? I think the towel was wet. All right, she jumped 25 inches. How many feet and inches did she jump? What is that equal to? 25 inches. So one ruler is 12. Another ruler is how much? Somebody say 2 feet and 1 inch. Okay, the first ruler is 12 inches. If I add another ruler, and this is 1 foot. If I add another 12 inches, another ruler, how many inches would that be? I keep getting about 2 feet and 1 inches. So we have 1 foot, 24 inches will be 2 foot. But she went 25, so that is 1 more little inch. You guys are good. All right, her second jump. 3 feet, not 3 feet. She only jumped. She jumped. Let me put the charger back in. Oh, somebody said thank you. All right, and then the second time you jumped what, 13 inches? Mm-hmm. The second time she jumped 13 inches. So what was that? More than a ruler, it's more than a foot. 1 foot and 4 inches. Well, if it's 1 foot, which is 12, and then 4 more inches, that would be 16 inches. And that would be incorrect because she only jumped 13 inches. 1 foot and 4 inches. That's what I just did. All right, so she jumped 13. I need a better eraser. Here's my, oh, here it is. 13. Okay, somebody's saying 1 foot and 1 inch. 13, that's more than 1 foot. Another little inch over here. That'll be 13 inches. So 13 inches is 1 foot and how many inch? Yusuf slaying it. Yusuf, you always come through, I tell you. 1 foot, 1 inch. 1 foot, and then one more little inch right there. 1 foot, 1 inch. Okay. Oh, there's 34 boys and girls tuned in. All right, we are at 20 minutes, so I'm going to get us logged into, well, first let me take questions. Does anybody have any questions on inches, feet, or yard? Any questions before we start our quizzes? Hey, Karan. All right. Since we have so many boys and girls logged on today, I think what I'm going to do is announce the top 3 winners of the quizzes today after we log in there. All right. All right. I think that we're ready. If nobody has any questions about foot, inches, yards, let's just review without looking at the board here behind me. How many inches are in a yard? How many inches are in a yard? The yard tape that I had, how many inches was there? Valeria, we should be meeting in the next 3 weeks. Hey. Yep, my family is safe. Jamie just did the jump for us. Good, I'm getting 3 feet. Absolutely. 36 inches is 3 feet. Good. How many inches are in 1 foot? How many inches in 1 foot? The foot that I keep showing you, how many inches is it? Inches. How many inches? Then this 1 foot. 1 foot. Good, 12 inches. All right, you can go to joinmyquiz.com. Good, good. Boys and girls, I do want to say I love how you're logging in here, but I have been looking on Pearson and I have not seen everybody logging on there. So when I come on Monday at 12, I'm going to announce and start to congratulate those students that I noticed have been working on their Pearson lessons. All right, so the game code for the quiz is, and if this is your first time joining the live quiz, you're going to have to minimize this window so that you could only hear my voice. You will no longer be able to see me and see, or you can go back and forth. But you would have to open up a new window and log in joinmyquiz.com. And then the game code for today is 837153. And I'm typing it down at the bottom of the live chat. Are you meeting us on Monday? Yes, I am. I'm going to meet you on Monday at 12 p.m., 12 noon in the afternoon. Yes, I am. We're going to go back to fractions. Yes, this Monday. All right, I see people logging on. I got Devontae, Camden, King Mason, Melanie, Tanaya, Messiah, Michael, Amari, Mason, Yusuf, King Mason, Derek. Good. Karan, Rylan, it's your Queen Amtala, King Jansen, Kylan, Karan, Ethanson. All right. Tariq the boss is in. All right, that game code is 837153. We have 19 players. Joinmyquiz.com. I'm going to type it in again. Oops, I can't type anymore. All right, I have 20 players. Rakari's in. Lolo Queen is in. 21. I'm going to be starting in just a little bit. The game code is 837153. 837153. 29 viewers and 21 have logged into the game. Joinmyquiz.com. I see people. Who is that bragging? I am the boss. Right. King Christian is in. All right. Oh, I think my time is up because I can't say anything else in the chat. So I'm going to go ahead and start the game. Ms. Williams doesn't have a lot of subscribers, so after a certain, I think once I get to 25 minutes, everything kind of starts to shut down for me. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start the game. Best of luck. I will see you guys here again on Monday at 12. Okay, bye-bye.